Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to add applications to favorites bar or dash in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So what is usage of favorites bar is it's similar to the task bar in Windows operating system. You can add applications to it and launch the application quickly. So let me add some applications. So here a lot of applications are there. So I am adding the applications one by one by right click, add to favorites. That's it. So I'm added calculator. So also you can drag and drop. So you can also drag and drop to the favorites bar. See here. So I added the application successfully. So you can launch the applications just by single click. See here. So without going to the location, you can launch the applications quickly. So this is the usage of the favorites bar. Also, you can remove those applications by just right click the application, remove from favorites. That's it. Right click, remove from favorites. Right click, remove from favorites. So make use of this feature in Rocky Linux 8.